Let's mosey on into the kitchen, shall we? Today we're crafting bacon-wrapped cheese stuffed jalapeno poppers, a bite-sized delight guaranteed to please any palate. First, go ahead and grab 12 jalapeno peppers, sliced in half lengthwise with seeds removed. Remember, gloves are your best friend while handling these spicy peppers. Next, we will combine 8 ounces of softened cream cheese with a cup of shredded sharp cheddar cheese. Add a dash of garlic and onion powder and season with salt and pepper to taste. This velvety cheese blend will serve as the heart of our poppers. Next, we are going to fill each half-eaten jalapeno with this cheesy concoction. Fill them up to the brim to make sure each pepper is generously stuffed. Now it is time to wrap bacon around each stuffed jalapeno tightly. I find that a toothpick can keep everything in place if need be. Now it's time to bake. Arrange these neatly on a baking sheet and pop them into a 400-degree oven. Wait for 20 to 25 minutes or until the bacon attains that perfect crispiness. The bacon preference is yours as everyone is different. Once baked, garnish these beauties with a 1/4 cup of freshly chopped cilantro, adding a pop of color and freshness. Bacon-wrapped cheese stuffed jalapeno poppers are now ready to steal the show at any gathering. Before you dig in, do remember to like, share, and subscribe for more tantalizing recipes. I would love to hear your popper making experiences, so drop them in the comments below. Bon appetit!